sonar confirms the stern section is stable at 350 meters.
Copy that. Proceeding with the hull integrity scan.
The depth confirms the initial survey data.
75 meters at the bow, consistent corrosion levels.
The corrosion around the hull is severe. We have to assume minimal structural integrity.
Exactly.
Look at the level of corrosion here on the starboard side. It's worse than the initial survey suggested. We might need to adjust the extraction plan.
The cracking extends further aft than anticipated.
Hold position. I'm getting a caliper reading on that fracture.
This section here is heavily compromised.
Agreed. We need to document the pitting depth immediately.
Push it tight to the seam.
It's seated. Start securing.
Copy Copy that, engaging impact wrench.
Alignment is good, ready to release pressure.
Confirmed. Releasing hydraulics now.
Maintaining the integrity of the SS La France requires meticulous work, fitting these new beams precisely into the aging hull structure.
All right, loosen the bolts on cylinder 3.
Copy that. Watch the pressure line.
Ready to lift on my mark.
This corrosion is deeper than I thought.
We need to treat this section before we reassemble the shaft.
We need to route this harness around the main hydraulic junction.
All right, make sure it clears the bulkhead support right here.
Check the pressure on line 3.
Holding steady at 200 psi.
All right, hoist it up slowly.
Steady now, watch that alignment.
Locking it in place.
Look at the oscillation on that piston.
Yeah, noted. We need to adjust the intake valve.
The plating here looks solid. Rivets are holding strong.
Agreed. Moving down to the waterline sealant now.
The hull looks absolutely magnificent. The red paint is perfect. It's incredible to see her fully restored after all this time.
All right, we're set here. Engaging the tensioner now. Hit that with the wrench one more time. Got it.
Moving to the next section now.
All right, lift it slightly on your side. Okay, hold it there. Looks aligned, go ahead and secure it. The plating here looks excellent. Rivets are perfectly set.
Agreed. The finish on the red oxide is flawless. We are clear.
hold her steady. We need another half meter on the aft cradle.
Adjusting tension now.
Confirmed.
Hull integrity check complete.
Systems clear for launch.
Anticipation builds as the massive hull of the SS La France awaits the water. A true marvel of industrial engineering.
Watch your pressure on that curve. Yeah, got it. It's looking good.
Engine parameters are all green. Look at the torque readings here.
Confirmed. Hydraulics are nominal as well. She's ready for sea trials.
Tapping sounds good. How are the caliper readings on frame 42? Within spec, we are clear for final sign-off.
These depth markers seem accurate to the original specifications.
Yes, the paint application is flawless.
We should finalize the clearance measurements this afternoon.
Trawler is clear. Continue the advance. Steady as she goes. Watch the starboard track.
Heave on that line. Hold her steady.
Hey, holding steady.
All lines secured. Ready for launch.
Electrical systems engaged. Status green.
Hydraulic pressure holding steady. Winch secure.
Systems verified. We are clear for launch.